All right, now that we've got the static timing complete, we're going to use the timing gun to get everything even finer tuned. All right, for advanced timing. So I'm going to hook this up to the positive side of the coil and the black one to the negative side of the coil. I love this timing gun. It costs about $100 but it shows my RPM, so you don't have to know, okay, hey, I'm about whatever RPMs. It shows exactly what it is. So put this on the #1 spark plug, facing towards the spark plug. It has an arrow, if it does have an arrow on yours. And then I'm going to turn it on. You won't be able to hear me, but I'm going to turn this to 30 degrees to where when it hits top dead center, it's flashing on it, right? And if I want it, you know, you can have it anywhere from about 28 to 32 at about 3,000 RPMs, depending upon what kind of setup you have for the cam and all that stuff. But you'll see exactly what happens here in a second. All right, that's it. Like I said, the notch at top dead center was flashing at the top, at the case half right here. And that's when you know, for my particular one, like I said, it shows the degrees. You can set it to 30. But if you wanted to do 0 and you had degrees on your actual pulley, then you would set it to 0. And then whenever flat 30 or 28 or 29, 30, 31, 32 flash, that would be where it was currently at. If you had it set to 0, you would see those numbers. All right, if you like it, subscribe. Once that notch is up there in line with the case half and the distributor is pointed at the #1 spark plug, another way to tell, no crap, that the #1 cylinder is top dead center is you're gonna have play in both the exhaust and the intake valves. All right, that's playing right there for the intake, but this is not moving. So just give me an example.